Hello, my name is Dr. Michaela Thorderson, and I'm a psychologist here at Children's Hospital of Orange County. I run our Intensive Outpatient, or IOP program. You can just call me Michaela. This video is a brief introduction to using coping kits. A coping kit is a mix of items or tools to help you cope when you feel stressed, mad, or if you're having a hard time. It can feel hard to control big emotions, but having tools on hand can help. As you watch more of these videos and learn about things that help you cope, you can add more pieces to your toolkit as you go. You want to create a kit for yourself everywhere that you feel stressed. It is great to include things that can help calm you down when you are stressed. You can also include things that help you prevent feeling stressed in the first place. I'm a person who carries a purse or backpack with me everywhere I go. And in those bags, I always have bubbles, a scented lotion to help me calm down, snacks, and chapstick, because hunger and dry lips really bother me. So I've got the things that help me feel better, and I've got the things that help me to not get upset more than I need to. When you are thinking about what you need for your coping kit, some common items include bubbles, stress balls, fidget items, or little toys that don't make noise or distract other people that you can use with your hands. Scented items like lip balm or lotion are also a great idea for coping kits. Scents that help you feel calm or feel joy or relaxed. You may need different things for each kit that you create. So maybe the things that you use in your bedroom at home are not going to be the same things that you use when you are in class. Or if you spend time in the car, whether you're the driver or the passenger, blowing bubbles in the car may not be the best idea. So just think about the things that you need in each kit that are going to help you in each space. Bubbles are great for just about any time you're feeling stressed. They are especially good when you feel tightness in your chest or throat. When you feel that it is hard to breathe or hard to swallow, blowing bubbles helps to slow your breathing down, which helps open up the feeling of nice, big, deep breaths. Bubbles are also fun to watch and can be mildly distracting. Just be sure not to use bubbles during times that are going to cause you trouble, like in the car. Stress balls are great for when you're feeling angry, tense, or antsy, like you have too much energy in your body and you don't know what to do with it. They can also be useful if you feel tired or bored. Using a stress ball can wake up your muscles and give information to your brain to help you feel alert and focused. Squeezing helps balance the blood flow in your muscles, and it also helps wake muscles up that are too tired. Fidget toys can be helpful if you just need a little bit of distraction that can take attention away from stress. These can be helpful in the classroom as long as they do not get you into trouble. Remember, not distracting other people and not making noises are keys to being successful in the classroom. You can also use squishy things or foam, anything that feels good. Just making sure that it is something that is okay to use at school. Maybe that's something in your coping kit like a super soft sock or scarf that you have. Anything that is small, soft, and comforting that brings you a little bit of calm and relaxation. Hand sanitizer is another good thing that can be comforting as a scented item. Sometimes there are things that you can do but cannot fit into a coping kit, like reminders to go do something. For example, take a bathroom break, go for a walk, play with your pet. They can also be encouraging or motivating statements that you can say to yourself. Things like, you can do this, just get through the day and we can make it to the weekend. So spend a moment to think about what else can help you cope that you have on hand. The more you watch these videos and use coping skills in your daily life, the more you'll learn about other things that might be helpful. You've got this.